Hey, welcome to a new episode of Rad City Berlin. Thanks so much for checking out today's episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Super73 ZX EU edition. Super fun video. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing today of the Super73 ZX. It just came in, so let's go ahead and crack open the box. The delivery person already opened the box to inspect it because there was a slight hole on one side of the box, so not a big deal, but this is what you guys get inside the box here. This is how it is standard. Alright, let's cover up the address here. Tektro brake manual comes as well too in the box. Okay, Tektro manual. First thing we have here is the battery in the box. Alright, first thing we have is the battery. Let's go ahead and put the battery here to the side. We'll want to charge the battery first. Let's get the bike out of the box, and then we'll go ahead and charge the battery. So battery comes first. Empty box here with a Tektro manual. All right, empty packaging. So here we have another box on this side. Alright, we have another box on this side. Sounds like some tools. So here we have some tools. And on this box here, it shows us this is the EU plug, power plug. So here we're in Berlin, so we need the EU power. Perfect. So, we have the basic stuff out of the box. Okay, let's grab this. This is on top of the bike here. What is this? Okay, this is the top mount, top bracket for the handlebars. Let's just put this to the side so we don't drop that when we take the bike out of the box. And there it is. Cool, we got it out of the box. There it is, the Super73 ZX. Fresh out of the box, packing material. So first step, let's go ahead and put it on its kickstand. Start taking off all this packaging material. Just going to start from the top, work our way to the bottom. Alright, need a pair of scissors. The seat, they did better. The RX, when we took out the seat, it still left some plastic material underneath. But here, nice and clean. Came off perfectly. Alright, so handlebar. Let's do it this way. So what we're going to do here basically is to leave all of this on, and to basically we'll just leave all this on for right now, mount the handlebar, and then take off the rest of the packaging material. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take off the rest of the packaging material, and we'll put this thing on. So this one here. Alright, cool. So it comes nice, this nice top bracket for then the handlebar. So let's go ahead and throw that on there. So need an Allen key. Let's go and grab our Allen key that we need. Standard Allen key. My recommendation is to sit on the bike so it's sitting up straight. For that kickstand, easier to do. Get the handlebar on straight. Put this on there so you have these rivets. You have this like rough part here in the middle. Use that to line it in the middle. Boom. Put this on here carefully. Looks pretty good. Well, it's in there. Let's kind of feel. How's it gonna feel for you? Okay, so let's do it like that. That feels pretty good. And then start tightening them down evenly. going the same diagonal pattern that you've been tightening since the beginning. Okay, now it's tight. Go and torque it down a little bit. Make sure that the Allen key is nice inside the screw before you turn it. You don't strip it or cause any damage to your screw. Okay, kind of give it a nice jiggle inside of the screw to make sure it's nice and seated in there before you start turning it. So now we have the handlebar on there. Now we can go and take off this piece here. This is just the brake lever. Should be able to slide this off. Boom, beautiful. Slides right off. Okay. Our gorgeous diamond display, exactly the same as the RX. Really nice. I've seen a few other e-bikes that have this diamond display. The new bike here from Villaretti has the diamond display. So all e-bike manufacturers should be checking out this diamond display. It's quite ingenious with the built-in navigation. Done. Super73 ZX, unboxed, unwrapped, ready to go, almost. So what we have to do first, obviously, is to install the pedals and get the battery installed. So we'll go ahead and do that. Charge up the battery, put on the pedals, take this thing for a nice little spin around the block, go for a nice little test ride. And then later on down the road, we'll do then a full review here in Rad City. But today we're just gonna be doing the unboxing. Go for a nice walk around. Really nice here within this built-in fender. I like that. So this is a plastic fender, okay, which is good. It's fine. It's light then and quiet. It'll be quiet and light. Perfect. Here, exact same Shimano Z 10-speed derailleur, exact same as the Super73 RX. So on the RX as well too. You also have here the Z, and then here as well too, exact same shifter. So has the same derailleur, same kind of setup here. In the rear is the Super73 RX as well too, with the whole chain and chain ring. In the US, it's a single speed with a chain guard. Here it's a 10-speed with no chain guard. Give and take. So let's go and charge up the battery, put on the pedals, clean this thing up, take it for a test ride. And let's just check out real quick what's inside of the box here. So we have here our Tektro manual for then the brakes. That's really nice. That's one difference with the ZX, that it has mechanical brakes instead of hydraulic brakes. But good that they give you a mechanical brake system guide. Hey, that's useful. So that then you can service your brakes nice and easy. So cool, very good. That's helpful. What do we have in this box here? I'm gonna take a look here. Okay, really nice. The owner's manual, Super73 ZX owner's manual with the same kind of drawing like the RX. Really nice manual, 28-page manual. Yeah, very nice, a nice drawing. You get then also a nice little front fender they're about to put on the bike, so check. Perfect, nice little front light with the 3-pin connection. Both of these you don't get in the US version, also within the rear fender, but good. So we get then the front light, front fender, dope, about to put that on the bike. As opposed to mount for the lighting, more mounting. Okay, wrench, Allen key for then the pedals and the handlebar. Some mounting screws for the front fender. Some reflector lights that will keep off the bike. Okay, more screws I would imagine, say for like the frame. It's like the RX where it has some holes in the frame. Okay, so a bracket for then the frame to go around one of these, exactly, so that then it protects the frame. And then of course your pedals. So pedals, fender, light. In this box we have the EU power. I'm gonna pull this out. Yeah, exactly. The EU power. Yeah, perfect. So I wonder if this means that then I can use my fast charger. I have a 5-volt fast charger, and then hopefully then it should charge the battery quicker, because this looks like the stock Super73 RX battery. So I should be able to charge that with the 5-volt quick charger. Let's see, I don't have it with me. If I did, I would have charged it right now, but okay. We're going to throw this battery right now on the charger. So now let's go ahead and check out the battery. There you go, there's the battery, Super73 ZX battery. As you've seen online, it's not the same as the S1. It looks like the same shape, but as you see here underneath, it is a different connection, different shape, different layout, but dope. So, little battery, I can already tell from holding it, it already feels, from holding it, it feels much lighter than the RX battery. So let's go ahead and get this thing charged up, throw it on the bike, get the pedals on, and we'll take this thing for then a test ride. Alright, cool. Try this thing out in its standard mode 1. I have not installed it yet on the app. So we're going to take this thing for a ride. Yeah, first impression, it's light. Lighter than the RX for sure. You can tell immediately that it's lighter than the RX. Not as heavy. First impression. Let's ride around here a little bit in the industry part, try out mode 1, and then we'll stop. I'll get it installed on my phone, and then we'll try out then the different modes. Try it out and compare it and see how it feels. There's a nice 10 speed there. Right, really nice setup there, I find. These nice Lizard tires, LZRD tires. And so far here on this cobblestone road, light rain, not bad. This bike, I should hopefully be able to travel more with this thing, right? We should be able to go on the train with this bike, I hope. That's one of my ambitions. Yeah, definitely get used to the suspension of the RX. But here I'm kind of bouncing around a little bit more, but it's okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hardtail, y'all. Okay, yeah. Something to get used to. I'll definitely take this thing out for a longer ride. Kind of take for granted. Sometimes take for granted how the RX is. It's such a crazy machine with the suspension. But here it's fine. No suspension. It works. It's not the most. It's not the most supple or softest rides, but it moves along just fine, I would say. So really nice. Super73 ZX, really nice 250 watt e-pack class 2 e-bike. There's some light off-roading here. Yeah, mechanical disc brakes stop okay, they're not noisy. Not bad. Oh, one other thing that we get here, hey, that you guys don't get in the US. This is a nice little buzzer. Front light test. Light on? Yeah. Light is on. Dope, right? So, front light works. We'll be able to install any other sort of light on there. Nice rear light, brake. See if we brake, turns on. It's good. I like that. Nice. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed now with the app and see how that then compares, if there's any difference to the stock setup. Let's see. All right. So you guys remember from Chris Sharber's unboxing, as you mentioned, you can't actually use the Super73 app with more than one bike. So what we'll do then, we'll pull out my other phone, my iPhone. I already have the app installed. Let's go ahead and log in. So app's now installed. Yeah, okay, not a big deal. I've already now tested it now with both Android and Apple. It's not connecting, not a big deal. What I'll do is I went ahead and took a screenshot of the MAC address of the bike, so you can then email that to Super73 Europe. I'm sure the bike is just so new, it's not yet registered everywhere, so we gotta give it a little bit of time. But so far, mode 1, check, good to go. So let's go and go back to the studio we'll go and wrap up the video there and end today's video.